Zealsound. Talk about that another time. You can check it out in my description. Anyway, so welcome back, guys. Happy New Year. Welcome back to this channel. Anyway, so today we're doing a simple video. We're just gonna do a quick review on the new music video I just dropped as part of the series. I said I was going to start. I'll be calling the series JFX, like VFX, just J. Anyway, the point is we'll be reacting to commercials, anything that you guys just feel is like fire and stuff like that. Or I see, you send me your IG, you can send me anywhere, I'll just like check it out and stuff like that. So today we're reacting to Lil Nas X's new song. Song has some controversy on it, but yeah, let's just look at how whether he has fallen off in the VFX or because that's what we actually care about. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome back. I mean, sorry, if you're new here, welcome. If you're new here, welcome. If you're here before, welcome back. And let's go straight to the video. So let's go. Okay. So this on VFX. Kanye West. What's this? Obama. Nice one. Okay, green screen. I like the font of this actually. It looks good. Okay. What's in heaven or something? Okay. Just normal green screen probably. Moonwalk. It's not like Michael Jackson in heaven. Wait, what? Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Nice dolly, okay. Like a cream or something. Nice cut actually with the VFX. Yes. Nice one. Okay. Basketball with the devil. A pretty win shot. Oh, done. Oh my god. Oh, nice match cut there. So the match cut is there's clearly a different take from that one to this one. That's neat actually. Camera is obviously closer. Probably was probably will stand it. That's choreography, okay? Which way that we going? Okay. Whatever there is, it probably a crane, most likely not handheld, but like upside down just this way. Okay. Okay, this is actually very controversial. That's like Jesus Christ or something. That was messed up. Oh, okay. I saw they did. There's another form of match cut where the camera moves with the motion of the object, so the hand. Most times, usually, let's say you're doing a bat, it just follows it. So as the clipper goes down, the camera follows. So yeah, that was a very, very nice implementation. So let's go. The green screen is like I honestly doubt that they shot it in an actual barn on a mountain. Like let's say, I think the set design is possible. However, let's just leave that. Oh, see some Easter eggs here. He dropped his logo on the right. Okay, that's calm. Let's go. Yeah, paparazzi. Oh my god. Good. I like the white thing here. This is actually nice. Okay. I see the set here. Like, look at the set. It's just beautiful, guys. See the candles, everything, okay? Oh my god, so his Moses or some animals going to the app. Oh, okay. I don't know what app they use, but this is some neat blending or blender. Okay. Oh, see, like, okay, so the fundamental effect there is probably masking, where you mask out and just follow it frame by frame. Yeah, just so that's from the water scene. See, it just matches with the ground. Yeah. Okay. They probably acted this on the roof or maybe in the studio. I just flooded water there. But I doubt the rain will actually pour in there, bro. Not far from possible. Okay. You know what? Okay. Like the costumes and stuff. You know, the acting is actually immaculate. Actually, when she was on the scene, like all those simulator stuff, this is actually very good acting. Now, do you think this swag is real, or do you think it's like in Blender it was done? I'd like to hear that in comments. Then 0. Wait, is there going to be another? Is there going to be another? Wow. So this was actually a lot taken at one time, but I think we're able to pick out, apart from the normal green screen stuff that we saw here. I think here you can see like a crane shot. That's from here. That Michael Jackson. So here, this screen shots, then a match cuts with the VFX, then obviously tapping back out, then snap. Okay, that was neat. Then we also saw a match cut here. So just actually, honestly, what this shows is just how much money can do, and a creative mind actually. It's very proud with you. And this song's actually, honestly, like, let's forget about, I don't think we should forget, but yeah, it's actually a very song, yeah. This way. So, I think that's actually everything we've touched. If you see, you felt like you saw something that I didn't see, just leave that in the comment section, and yeah, just stay tuned. You can check one of these videos here. I don't know how to place them, but they'll be somewhere. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Huh?